Today, we combined zucchini fritters with chicken and created chicken zucchini fritter patties. The result is a patty that is diabetic friendly, diet friendly, and absolutely delicious. So grab your seat, because our recipe is already underway. First, we cut 2 chicken breasts into smaller pieces. Then we process them in a food processor until they turn into ground chicken. Next, we take 2 medium zucchinis that have been washed and grate them using the coarse side of a grater directly into a cheesecloth or kitchen towel. Then, we squeeze out all the liquid. Now, we add the ground chicken to a mixing bowl. Then, we add the squeezed zucchini. After that, we slice 5 to 6 green onions into thin rings. We also chop a handful of fresh dill and add both ingredients to the bowl. Next, we crack in 2 medium eggs. We add 150 grams of cream cheese, followed by 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, we add 25 grams of psyllium husk powder. Now we start kneading the mixture. The psyllium quickly absorbs moisture and creates the right texture. After kneading for about 3 to 4 minutes, we place the mixture in the refrigerator and let it rest for 1 hour. Once the resting time is over, we can shape our patties. We lightly oil our hands and form patties weighing about 70 to 80 grams each, about 1 to 1.5 centimeters thick and 8 centimeters wide. We got 16 patties from this mixture. Now we place a frying pan on the stove and add about 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. We heat the pan over medium heat. Once it's hot, we place the patties in the pan and cook each side for about 4 minutes. In the end, we get beautifully browned chicken patties that stay juicy and taste just like zucchini fritters. We were extremely happy with the result. Each patty weighs about 70 grams. We serve 3 patties per portion. These high-protein patties are very light and contain almost no digestible carbohydrates. They are perfect for dieters, people with diabetes, and anyone seeking a healthy meal. You can also prepare these patties in advance and store them in the freezer for weeks before cooking them later. Enjoy your meal. Now let's take a look at the nutritional values of a serving containing 3 patties. This portion weighs approximately 210 grams and contains only 1.3 grams of net carbs, while providing over 4 grams of fiber and about 30 grams of protein. As you can see from the chart on the screen, this meal creates virtually no glycemic impact in your body. As we come to the end of this recipe, remember that we continue to share delicious recipes that are 100% diabetes friendly every week. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment. Your support means a lot. Until we meet again in our next recipe, take care and stay healthy.